Today we are making onion oil and onion juice for massive hair growth and healing of our scalp. So if you're struggling with hair loss, shedding, scalp infections, retarded growth of your hair, dandruffs, watch this video till the end. Now, before using this juice and this oil, make sure your scalp is not inflamed, because sulfur causes irritation in an inflamed scalp. Okay, our main ingredient is red onion. Red onion has sulfur, which helps build keratin, the main raw material. That is a protein which helps in hair growth. Another thing that red onion has is quercetin. Quercetin suppresses autoimmune attacks on your scalp. It also helps increase the growth hormone of the hair follicles at the roots of your hair. Quercetin also has antimicrobial, which helps in protecting your scalp from yeast, fungi, and molds and dandruffs. So today we are using organic red onion, okay? Because organic red onion has high content of quercetin. Now, you start off by peeling the onion, as you can see. The onion already has a lot of juice, so we don't have to add any water in this juice we are making. It is pure red onion juice. Now, after peeling, you wash the onion. And because I don't have a blender, I'll be using a grater, the one we use for carrots. So I'll be grating all the 3 onions. But if you have a grater, you have a blender, you can use it to blend the onion. Oh, the paste is coming out, and the juice too, as you can see. I love holding this way because this way it does not disturb your hand grating. That's a tip for you. Look at that. So what I'll do, I'll grate all the 3 onions. I've used big onions because I need a lot of paste and juice, because I'm doing 2 recipes with these 3 onions. Ooh, the sulfur is already getting into my eyes. But I'm doing it outdoor, so it's not that very harsh on my eyes, just a little bit. The 3rd onion. That part is done. Now, because we are doing 2 recipes, we will divide this paste into 2. Okay, that way. Let's assume this one is for the oil. Okay, so we are starting with the juice first. So what I'll do is I will add some fresh leaves of rosemary, right? Yeah, we know the benefits of rosemary on our scalp, right? Rosemary is compared to the tabs that cure alopecia. So when you're using rosemary, you are doing great. You are giving your hair a lot of benefits, right? So we are adding rosemary, and what we will do is we will grate the leaves in here. Remember, I had washed the rosemary, right? Yeah, it was clean, ready. So we are using two very powerful ingredients in these recipes. Remember, this is what I've been using on my hair. I will be showing you the growth that I have right now. Is it padding or mashing? Yeah, you can mash like that. Then you get a satin and squeeze out this juice. This is what I'll be using to squeeze out the juice. We are done with the squeezing of the juice. Wow. The onion smell is outdone by the rosemary. So the rosemary is also helping in the bringing down the strong smell of the onion. Okay, now we have the juice here. You use this juice on a wet scalp after washing your scalp, or if you haven't washed your scalp, you can moisturize or hydrate your scalp plus hair, and then you apply this juice on your scalp. How many times are you supposed to use this juice? You can use this juice twice a week, and after the third to fourth week, you will start seeing the results. Now, after applying generously this juice on your scalp, what you do is you put on a shower cap, and you can massage your scalp so that the juice can be absorbed on your scalp. You can massage your scalp so that the juice can be absorbed on your scalp. And after keeping it on for 30. Okay, after applying this juice, what you do is you put on a shower cap, and make sure after applying generously, you massage your scalp. Then you put a shower cap and let it sit for 30 to an hour, 30 minutes to an hour, and then you wash it with shampoo. Use the right shampoo, okay? Yeah, do not use the harsh shampoos on your hair so that you can see results. Now, after washing, you can shampoo your hair twice. Although the onion smell is now, outdone by the rosemary, but you can shampoo twice to do away with the onion smell, and then you can hydrate your hair or moisturize or apply a leave-in treatment, okay? Yeah, that is exactly how I do it.